Sonder Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Sonder and other useful resources are in the description. Sonder is a booking platform that blends the best aspects of hotels and short-term rentals, offering stylish, fully furnished accommodations in major cities worldwide. Unlike traditional hotels, Sonder properties provide the space and comfort of an apartment with modern design, kitchens, and living areas, but without daily housekeeping or on-site staff. Instead, everything is managed through the Sonder app, including check-in, customer support, and requests for extra amenities. Designed for business travelers, digital nomads, and leisure travelers who want a premium stay without the unpredictability of Airbnb, Sonder offers consistent quality across its properties. Units are professionally cleaned, fully stocked with essentials, and often located in prime urban areas close to business hubs, attractions, and dining options. The booking process is seamless, with transparent pricing and no hidden fees, making it a more predictable alternative to traditional vacation rentals. One of Sonder's standout features is its contactless check-in and digital experience. Guests receive access codes instead of room keys, and any issues are handled through the app rather than a front desk. This makes it ideal for independent travelers who prefer a self-sufficient stay. However, the lack of on-site staff and daily housekeeping might not suit those who prefer full-service hotels. Sonder also tends to be more affordable than high-end hotels, while providing a more upscale experience than basic short-term rentals. The platform is best suited for professionals, remote workers, and travelers looking for a high-quality, hassle-free stay. It's not the best fit for those who need concierge services or frequent housekeeping. Overall, Sonder provides a consistent, stylish, and convenient lodging experience, perfect for those who value flexibility and modern accommodations. If you're looking for a premium yet independent stay in a major city, Sonder is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.